Hello everyone, back tuning into today's video doing weekend forecast. As always, on a Saturday, going to have a detailed look at the weather for the week ahead. We've got quite a complex week's weather coming up. Again, very slack pressure gradients, warm if not quite hot air coming in from the east at times, giving a risk of heavy showers and thunderstorms. And then towards the end of the week and next weekend, we might start to see signs of a return of the westerlies, perhaps bringing some rain in off the Atlantic by the time we get through to next weekend. It's a long way off that, but the first hints could be there this morning within the model output. So I'll get on with that in a second. Before I get on with weekend forecast, though, just to mention the ads, there's links to articles on all the pages. Have a browse through the widgets and click through the links if there's any articles that you're interested in. And thanks very much for doing that. There's video ads on most of the pages. They own it content. When you watch them, they'll close back up again. Helps to pay for our website. Websites we're using for the weekend broadcast coming from theweatheroutlook.com and weathercent.d. You can find the link to both those websites on links below. We're going to start with a radar picture from the Weather Outlook, but I think we'll gloss over it very quickly because there's hardly any precipitation anywhere across the country this morning. So a very dry scene through the UK this morning. There could be showers breaking out this afternoon though. Here's the stochastic pressure chart for today, and high pressure dominating to the north of Scotland between Iceland and Scandinavia. So we'll stay dry in many places today. We've had a lot of cloud this morning. Most of that will burn off this afternoon to reveal some good spells of sunshine. That's the theory. Anyway, it hasn't brightened up yet where I am, but the theory is, and it's going to brighten up this afternoon at long last, because in the east we've been stuck under cloud for several days. The theory is that it's going to brighten up this afternoon, so let's wait and see. With some very warm spells of sunshine. However, those spells of sunshine could generate some showers. They'll be very isolated, very scattered, maybe focused through the parts of the West Midlands in towards Wales and northwestern England. But if you catch one, you'll know about it. It could be quite heavy, maybe with a rumble of thunder, but they will be very scattered and isolated, those showers today. If the sunshine does come through, temperatures will get warm, so easily rising up to 21 degrees. That's 70 Fahrenheit, and one or two places such as London could go up as high as 23 or 24. 24 is 75 in Fahrenheit. Any showers will quickly die away tonight because we're under high pressure, so this evening the showers will quickly die out, and all places will be dry tonight with a mix of low cloud and mist patches, also clear spells as well. Temperatures holding up at around 8 to 12 degrees, so no problems with temperatures. A greater risk of showers on Sunday. High pressure still dominates to the northeast, so the country still bringing in this easterly wind. But I think there'll be more humidity around through the course of Sunday afternoon. So we start off again with mix of sunny spells, low cloud, mist patches, all of that will clear to give good spells of sunshine, but then showers will build up on Sunday afternoon, particularly I think across Wales and southwest England, possibly some parts of South Midlands into central southern England. So it's in the south and southwest essentially, but we'll be at risk of some really quite heavy showers on Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. There could be thunderstorms mixed in there. Scotland, much of northern England, much of eastern England will stay dry with sunny spells. Be very warm tomorrow and humid with temperatures easily between around 20 and 25. London might go up to 27. 27 is 81 Fahrenheit. The shower risk increases again as we move through into Monday. Very slack gradient, still very warm air coming in from the continent. So we'll do it all over again. We'll have a grey start with mist and murk. That will go very quickly to give sunny spells. And then as the temperature and humidity shoots up, you can expect showers to break out. And there'll be widespread showers, I think, on Monday with risk of thunderstorms in places. So Scotland could get thundery showers, Northern Ireland could get thundery showers, parts of Wales, the Midlands down into southern England, risk of thundery showers. Generally more eastern areas having drier weather, but even here there could be a risk of some thundery showers on Monday afternoon. Not everywhere will get those showers, so a lot of places will stay dry with very warm spells of sunshine. Temperatures between around, say, 21 and 26 degrees. That's getting on for 80 Fahrenheit. Moving through to Tuesday, very, very slack with the gradients on Tuesday. So I think the shower risk could be peaking, actually, through into Tuesday. Starting off again, mostly dry with mist and murk and grey, low cloud, also sunny spells, quickly breaking through. And then the showers break out again on Tuesday afternoon, some of them heavy, once more with the risk of thunderstorms thrown in. And almost anywhere could be at risk of showers on Tuesday. Temperatures just a little bit lower, but still very warm at around 20 to 25 Celsius. Wednesday finds high pressure starting to reach through the country, so there is still a risk of showers on Wednesday, but I think they'll be lighter and more scattered compared to Tuesday. Most places will probably miss those showers and stay mostly dry. But again, there will be showers around, and almost anywhere is at risk of those showers coming through. Temperatures on Wednesday, again, just easing off a little bit, between around 19 and 24, still very pleasant. High pressure is building down from the north as we go through into Thursday, so I think the shower risk will mostly be confined to Ireland and Western Scotland. Many parts of the country will stay dry on Thursday with decent spells of sunshine, despite the fact it's staying dry and there's sunshine coming through. Temperatures will actually be a little bit cooler and fresher, between 18 and 22. 22 is 72 Fahrenheit. And we end the week on Friday still with high pressure dominating. Notice these areas of low pressure starting to gather in the Atlantic Ocean, just beginning to put this ridge under pressure. It hangs on, I think, for Friday and gives us a mostly dry day again with sunny spells, although there could be showery rain on a weather system heading in towards Ireland by the end of the day. Temperatures will be lowering, so between around, say, 17 and 21. 21 is 70 Fahrenheit. And then next weekend could see a final end to these easterly winds that have been dominating for several weeks as low pressure starts to track back in off the Atlantic through Saturday and into Sunday. The ridge starts to break down. England and Wales probably just about stay mostly dry next weekend, but expect bands of rain to begin to move in to Scotland and Northern Ireland, and that could well then spread south and east across the country as we go through into the week beginning Monday the 13th of June. Finally, have a look at the charts from the Weather Outlook so that you can see weather in your area over the coming week. Lots of dry weather around today. A few showers in the southwest, but mainly dry with those sunny spells breaking through this afternoon. More in way of sunshine as we go through into Sunday. Very warm sunshine as well, which could generate some heavy showers or thunderstorms down in the southwest. Showers probably getting more widespread on Monday, and there's a risk there for Scotland. Also for other western parts of the country, very warm temperatures again. And then Tuesday, probably the peak of the showers, where almost anywhere could get a shower or a thunderstorm on Tuesday afternoon. Temperatures still looking very warm, however. The showers continuing to Wednesday, but probably ease down a little bit. Temperatures also starting to ease down a bit as well. And then we go through into Thursday and Friday with showers in the north and the west. The east and south mostly dry, although this is showing a band of shower rain starting to push in off the Atlantic through the course of Friday. I think we'll probably just about hang on to dry weather on Friday, but as we go into next weekend, expect increasing risk of showery rain moving in from the Atlantic as the westerlies begin to return. So, in summary, we're going to be starting off with a lot of dry and very warm weather this weekend. There will be showers and scattered around tomorrow afternoon, particularly in the southwest, but plenty of dry weather. The shower risk and thunderstorm risk increases into the start of next week. Temperatures will be very warm, and then the second half of next week turns drier. The temperatures begins to ease down, possibly sign of westerly winds and outbreaks of rain beginning to return next weekend. Is that the start of the June monsoon? We'll have to wait and see. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.